Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about multivariate analysis. But first, let us understand what multivariate analysis means. Multivariate analysis is the simultaneous observation and analysis of more than one outcome variable at a time. The main objectives of performing multivariate analysis are to transform large number of observations into smaller scores, to predict the variability of the dependent variable on the basis of its covariance with all independent variables, and to classify objects into one of the two or more mutually exclusive and exhaustive groups on the basis of a set of independent variables. Let us understand this with the help of an example. I have created a library called Multivariate Scatter in a repository on Github. You can find the link to this library in the description box. Now I'm going to load this library. This library contains a user-defined function which can be used to create multivariate scatter plots. For example, consider this dataset. It contains the records of various customers of a telecom company, including their area code, phone number, what plans have they subscribed for, the total number of calls done during the day in a month, and the calls done during the evening, the charges for day and evening calls, etc. In the end, you will see a variable called churn, which tells if the customer continues to be the customer of a company or not. Now, if we want to check if the charges for calls done by a customer during the day and in the evening have an effect on the churn rate, we use the following function, multivariate scatter, to plot a multivariate scatter plot for these variables from the dataset. We observe that although the charges for evening calls do not have an effect, but as the charges for day calls increase over $45, the customer is more likely to leave the telecom company. Likewise, there are various other domains where multivariate scatter plots can be used. Thank you very much.